Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying this new style that I just stumbled upon called the Invisible Locks. This video is old to me but new to you guys. This was supposed to be a birthday hairstyle that I wanted. I've never tried it before, so why not attempt to do it? I'm gonna start off by parting a rectangle. But now looking back at this video, I should have made the rectangle a little bit bigger. My scalp's a little dry, so I'm going to be adding Dr. Miracle's hair grease. I don't normally use hair grease. I normally use oils, but my hair's been going through some things, so I'm trying to switch it up. I'm going to split that rectangle into 2 small squares, and then I'm going to split those squares into half horizontally. After splitting the bottom half of each square, I'm gonna braid the bottom half. I'm not gonna braid all the way, I'm just gonna braid like a quarter of the way. As you guys are watching this, just keep in mind that this is not a tutorial. This is me trying a new style for the first time. And I just wanted to take you guys through the struggles of doing my own hair. Now that I'm done braiding, I'm going to feed in a little bit of Marley hair onto both of those braids. Alright, so this is where all the magic is supposed to happen. I added the edge control and then I started twisting going down. At this point, I don't feel like I'm doing a good job. It's not really coming out how I pictured it, but I'm trying to trust the process and see it through. So I know some of you guys might be content with the style as it is right now, but to me it was a little bit too loose. Like from afar it looks good, but close up it just looks too loose at the root and a little bit bulky for me. So I took it down and reused the same hair for another style. I ended up using the hair to do Marley twist. I know this video is a little bit short, but it wasn't a tutorial. This is just the struggles that I have to go through when I'm doing my own hair. But I do always end up switching it up if I know I can't do a style. It's easier to do on someone else's head, harder to do on your own head.